Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by ensuring you have explicit, written permission to test the network, otherwise stop immediately. Once documented, prepare a dedicated machine with current updates and the Aircrack suite installed from official repositories. Make sure you have backups and a snapshot of the test environment. This protects data and helps you revert changes. You should also record the target SSID and BSID for your report. These steps avoid legal risk and set you up for controlled, repeatable security testing. You proceed by capturing only authorized traffic. Never intercept other users' data. Put your wireless adapter into monitor mode and collect packets to PCAP files for offline analysis, which reduces on-air disruption. Once done, use Aircrack tools in a lab environment to validate weak keys against your capture, keeping tests time-limited. Make sure to document every command, timestamp, and result so you can explain findings and remediation steps. This demonstrates professionalism and preserves legal defensibility. You finish by compiling a clear report that explains vulnerabilities, impact, and prioritized remediation. Change weak passphrases, enable WPA3 where possible, and disable legacy protocols. Once done, apply mitigations and retest to confirm improvements. For troubleshooting, if your captures are empty or Aircrack fails to run, make sure your adapter supports monitor mode and packet injection, update drivers, and verify you have appropriate permissions. Retry in a controlled lab. This approach keeps.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.